Hey guys, so for today's video I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. If you guys have been watching my videos, you know that I did say that this year I wanted to get into more of like the lifestyle and mommy vlog. So if you guys watch my videos, you know I'm obsessed with cleaning videos, and I finally decided to start doing them because I love to clean my house and I find it just so relaxing. So for my first cleaning video ever, I decided to do what's called a power hour, and this was actually the first video or cleaning video I ever watched on YouTube. So a power hour is where you pretty much make a list of all the things that you want to get done in just an hour. You set your timer on your phone and you have no distractions. You just like blast your music and get whatever as you can done. So I'm also very excited because for today's video I am teaming up with Jessica from Keep Calm and Clean. Her video was actually, her cleaning videos were actually the first ones I ever watched, and it just so happened to be a power hour. So I remember I was just so motivated when I first started watching her videos. I started to clean things I would have never thought of cleaning. So if you guys are interested in some motivation, cleaning motivation, this is your person. I am so happy to be collabing with her, and so I'll just let her introduce herself right now.
Hey guys, my name is Jessica and I have the channel Keep Calm and Clean. I do a lot of cleaning routines over there, but I also do some lifestyle videos, some vlogging, some cook with me's, beauty, just a little mix of everything. I have two little girls. I have a 10-year-old and a 3-year-old, so I kind of am on both ends of the spectrum. I have one that is almost a preteen and then a toddler, so life is crazy around here. We are also a military family, and I share a little bit of that part of our life on my YouTube channel. And I'm also a mama to this fur baby Tucker. He's in almost all of my videos on my channel, and everyone loves Tucker and they have to get their little Tucker fix. He is so cute. Say hi. So yeah, if you want to head on over to my channel and check out my video, the collab I did with Allie and some of my other ones, and you decide that you like them and want to stick around, I would love to have you subscribe. That way you will be updated when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you over at my channel.
Also, if you're coming over from Jessica's channel, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys stick around. My channel's a little bit different from Jessica's. I am a flight attendant, and I just show how I balance the flight attendant mom, family life, as well as being a flight attendant. I am also pregnant with our second child. I relate a lot to Jessica because she is a military wife, and I was a military wife for the first 4 years of our marriage. So whenever I see her military vlogs, I relate a lot to them. So yeah, if you're coming from Jessica's channel, welcome, and I hope that you stick around. Okay, so I'm going to get started. It is currently 6:28 p.m. and I have a few things to do. My house is a mess because if you watch my videos, you know that we were on vacation. We were in Europe for 3 weeks and I had to go back to work right away. So this is really my only day off, and tomorrow, so I wanted to get some cleaning done. So my house is a mess. So I'm just gonna get a few things done. I still even have my Christmas decorations up because yeah, that's how long we were gone for. So anyway, let's just get started. Okay guys, so this is my first cleaning video ever, as I mentioned earlier, and my angles are obviously not the best, but I promise I will definitely get better as I practice, and the more videos I make, the better I will get, I promise. So for the first task I took on was to clean my kitchen. I decided to just put everything away and just clean the countertops because, like I said, we were gone for a while, and so we haven't really been cooking as much, but the little bit that we have cooked hasn't really, made a mess. It's just everything right now has been like a catch-all for us since we haven't really had time to clean. So here I am just putting everything away and then just wiping down the countertops with my Mrs. Meyer's pine scent. I love this scent. It's so good. It smells delicious. It makes me feel like it's still Christmas time, and it's not overpowering like some of the cleaners I've purchased from the store that are also pine scented. I'm picking up the speed, cause you will always be there, cause you will always be the one to hold me, you will Okay, so as you can see, the cabinets on this side of the kitchen are a different color from the ones that you just saw. When we purchased the house, the cabinets were a dark brown, and so it makes our kitchen look really dark since natural light doesn't hit the kitchen at all. So we are in the process of painting them white. It's just taken a little bit longer than expected. So we do plan on getting to do that soon. We are doing it ourselves, so like I said, it's taken longer than expected. And now I'm pretty much just vacuuming the floors. I have a Shark, I forget the style of this vacuum, but I will leave it in the description box in case you guys are interested in looking at something like this. This has been a lifesaver because there's no carpet in our house and I'm not really into sweeping, so this has been a lifesaver. It's really good at picking up, you know, trash and stuff like that. So now I'm finally taking down the Christmas decorations. It's so sad to put them down. I feel like it makes the house look empty and just naked, but you know, it's time, I guess. So here I'm going to use the all-purpose cleaner in the scent Orange and Rosemary. This is from Grove Collaborative. This is where I get most of my cleaning supplies. They are an online company where you can just purchase cleaning stuff and all these other different things, and they are, you know, earth-friendly, non-toxic. So if you guys are interested in getting any cleaning products, you can always use a link that I have down below, and I have a gift for first-time customers, and if you are an existing customer, there's also a link for you guys too. So definitely check them out. They're a great company. So now I'm just arranging all of my husband's little toys, as I like to call them, and putting everything back the way it was before Christmas. And if you guys see that blue vase right there, it reminds me so much of all the decoration in Amsterdam. So I got it at Home Goods, and when we went back to Amsterdam, I ended up getting some of the tulips. They did break inside my luggage, so I am going to have to fix them and super glue them, but I can't wait to display them. I think they're so cute. So now I'm just moving on to the living room, which the living room, no matter how many times I clean, is always going to be messy because I have a 5-year-old, and you know, it's just, this is where we spend most of our time, and everything just, you know, just ends up being on the floor or on the couch. It's a never-ending story with this place. And now you're just gonna see me take a sip of water because I was definitely getting tired, and I look like I'm wobbling, but I'm not. It's just because I sped up the clips. It looks like I'm having a hard time walking, but I'm not, I promise. So after I finished vacuuming up the rug, I did move on to the laundry room, and I decided to put in a load of towels in the washer. And so here I am just putting some of my Tide detergent. We just get it at Costco, and some Downy, I think it's Downy or Suavitel, I'm not sure, of the softener. And then I went in with the Downy scent boosters. Okay guys, so that's it for this power hour. I hope you guys enjoyed. It was my first time ever filming a cleaning video like this, so I hope I was able to motivate you a little bit, just to at least get some cleaning this wasn't like, you know, like a deep cleaning or anything like that. This was just me cleaning, coming back from vacation, and just kind of cleaning, you know, like the main rooms in the house so that I can kind of keep my sanity. So I have a lot of laundry to do, and I have a lot of other stuff that I need to take care of. So if you guys want to see more of these videos, let me know what kind of cleaning videos you guys want to see. For those of you that watch my flight attendant vlogs, don't worry, the flight attendant vlogs aren't going anywhere. I am just trying to branch out a little bit more and do a little bit more of what I like to do and I like to watch. So again, let me know what you guys want to see. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you came over from Jessica's channel and if you decide to stay, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.